Are you looking for a vehicle that's safe? Are you looking for a vehicle you can trust on life's adventures? Or would you like to actually enjoy driving it? Let me take a few minutes and see if I can show you that in the new 2026 Subaru Forester. The door handle, with just a touch it locks, and by touching the door handle, it unlocks. So the Subaru door is a work of art. I'm 6'3" with a hat on, and I can easily get in and out of the car. It's considered the easiest car in America to get it out of. They put a seal around the door and a seal around the door frame. The double seal does wonders to make a nice, quiet ride. The mirror is low and wide, and this little light right here is blind spot detection because Subaru honestly builds safety into everything. Subaru only puts mud and snow rated radials on all their tires, all weather for all conditions. One of the great safety features on Subarus is eyesight. Eyesight is two things: adaptive cruise control, which makes driving easier. Also, it's pre-collision braking. I had some young ladies, they were driving along at 80 miles an hour with the cruise on, and elk walked the road. They didn't see the elk, but the car did. The car hit the brakes and safely brought them to a stop, and that way everybody walked away. Subaru features LED headlights, a safety feature. If you go into a dark driveway, it'll give you lights up so you can see. Also, it has fog lights, visibility in all weather conditions. The Subaru symbol is the constellation Pleiades, the closest constellation to Earth. It's in the Orion's belt, and it is also one of only two constellations mentioned in the Bible. It's in the book of Job twice. Under the hood is the heart of the Subaru car. It's the Boxer motor. This is backed up with a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. The B-pillar, it's one of the great innovations of all history of car safety. They take 8 layers of steel and wrap around a boron bar, and they laser weld it into the construction of the B-pillar. Nothing will penetrate it. In fact, the only way to remove it is with a plasma cutter. When you're putting your most precious cargo in the backseat of your vehicle, you want to be made by a company that respects your safety. But the fact you got the Subaru bolt on the bottom of the door, what that does is no matter what happens to side impact, the door stays in place. The fuel door, it only opens if the car is unlocked. Let's talk about taillights. They're made out of Lexan, which is what football helmets are made of. Right between the two stars is the touch of a button. You can lift up the hatch. Space, a lot of space. The amount of room is awesome. If it happens to bump into anybody or anything, works perfectly. Now it has a rear camera, wiper, washer, and a rear defogger. The reason is visibility. If you can see, you're safe. On the MSRP, a couple things you notice. One is a 5-star crash test rating, and another is fuel economy. It has an average fuel economy rating of 29 miles a gallon, but the highway is 33. Take you anywhere, take you everywhere. The seat, it's got a great design, but it also has a power seat for height, for distance, for recline, and lumbar. Combine that with a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and you can get a car that custom fits you. It's amazing how comfortable you'll be in this car. It combines Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And one of the great things is the Subaru app, My Subaru. You can start the car, you can set your heating and cooling requirements, you can contact service and get roadside service all at a touch of a button. When you purchase a Subaru from us, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a lifelong commitment from the whole team. We've got a great service department with almost all senior master techs. We got a car wash, we've got quick lube bays, and we have Encore delivery to make sure you get to use all the aspects of your car and know how they work. I really appreciate you letting me walk around the vehicle with you today. I know there's a lot of choices out there, but the one you make is very important. That's why you'll enjoy your Subaru.